Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a scrap clay figurine. I was cleaning out my drawer of scrap clay and I figured I would see what this makes as far as the colors. I definitely wasn't expecting the color that it turned out to be, but you'll see that in a second. So right now I'm just sorting through the different colors. Really unnecessary because it's all going to go together anyway, but I kind of enjoy sorting the colors out, so that's what I'm doing. So it turned out to be this weird gray color with a lot of sparklies in it. Definitely wasn't expecting gray. Since the clay has a bunch of glitter in it already, I decided to take out my hollow glitter and spice it up a bit. Originally I was going to just keep the glitter on the outside of the clay, but then I decided to just mix it all together. So I realized at this point I haven't really said what I was going to make out of this other than probably the thumbnail, but I am going to be doing a snake with this clay. If you have any questions about the kind of beads I use for the eyes and most of my figurines, I will link above a video that I just did, and hopefully that will answer all of your questions. You'll notice with these eyes, I decided to make it so that the hole is facing outward instead of inside of the clay. I do this for a few reasons. One is that the beads are a little bit more round with that angle, and also the other side of the hole kind of gives a little bit more grip into the clay. So as you can see, I put a little bit of clay into the needle hole to cover it up. wanted to put a little bit more glitter on top of the snake, so I'm just using the same glitter as before. Once I'm sure it's the way I want it, now it's time to bake. There were a few spots that were missing some glitter, so I'm going to use my gloss glaze and make a paste. This part is optional, but I am using UV resin to put over the eye caps. This makes the eyes a little bit more smooth and less textured. So here's the finished figurine. I definitely wasn't expecting the clay to be a gray color, but overall I'm very happy how it turned out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one.